Greetings, Chameleon community and allies. My name is Candice Bobo, and I'm the head of school here at Creative Minds International Public Charter School. I speak to you as a proud member of our diverse and multicultural Chameleon community. Today, I want to acknowledge what makes our school community strong, our diversity. We are proud to be a place where students and families from diverse backgrounds, cultures, and languages come together to learn, grow, and support one another. As you are already aware, there have been instances where federal agents have made their presence known in our communities and surrounding schools. These are challenging times, and we recognize that uncertainty can weigh heavily on our families. We want you to know that we acknowledge your efforts and honor your resilience. Stand with us, trust us, and partner with us as we navigate these moments. Together, we can ensure that our students not only feel secure, but feel inspired to learn, dream, and thrive. Thank you for being a part of our Chameleon community and for standing with us.